Kitties! Today we are going to learn letters from K to O. Okay? Before that, we will revise the letters A to J. Are you ready? Say the sound with me. A sound. A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. A. F. F. G. G. H. I, E, J, J. After J? Yes, you are right. K, letter K. In alphabet, two letters have the same sound. Yes, you are right. K and C. Letter K and C have a same sound. Letters K and C have same sound. What sound is that? K. Very good. Letter C and K have sound K. Sound K. K sound K. K sound K. Shall we see some words? K. Kettle. K. Kettle. K. Key. K. Key. K. King. K. King. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. Now repeat with me. K. Kettle. K. Key. K. King. K. Kangaroo. Well done. Now next letter. What is the letter? Yes, letter L. Letter L. L sounds. L. L sounds. L. Shall we see some words? Lemon. Lemon. Ladder. Ladder. Leaf. Leaf. Lollipop. Lollipop. Shall we revise this? Lemon, leaf, ladder, lollipop. Now next letter. Letter M. M sounds. M sounds. Monkey. Monkey. Milk. Milk. Muffin. Muffin. Moon. Moon. Shall we revise this? Monkey, moon, muffin, milk. Okay. Now next letter. What is the letter? N. Letter N. N sounds. N sounds. See the words? Nest. Nest. Net. Net. Nib. Nib. Noodles. Noodles. Shall we revise this? Nest. Net. Nib. Noodles. Now next letter. After N, O. Correct. Letter O. O sounds A. O sounds A. Shall we see the words? A. Onion. A. Onion. A. Octopus. A. Octopus. A. Olive. A. Olive. A. Owl. A. Owl. Revise this. A. Onion. A. Octopus. A. Olive. A. Owl. So we learnt more words from K to O. Okay. So after this class, you should revise this at home. Now, if you like this video, what you should do? Press the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Okay. Thank you.